Hey, beautiful soul. You may think your health, finances, job, status, that family member you worry about are permanent. All the facts are telling you it's an impossible situation. But God is saying to you today, get ready because blessings, healing, and abundance are coming your way. God will restore everything you lost. You will recover. You will bounce back. Better days are coming. Blessings are coming your way. What's about to happen next will cause you to rejoice. God is up to something incredible. Get ready for your plot twist. You will go for struggle to success, failure to favor, and insecurity to increase. There is nothing too hard for God. This is your appointed time for God's favor. Claim it and receive it by faith. Type 1111 if you agree with this and subscribe to the God's Manifesto 11.